Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Essential ID. PAN and KYC must be active, and your demat or brokerage account funded. Once done, log into your broker app or web portal, choose the equity trading section. Make sure you select NSE or BSE market, depending on preference. You will search for Tata Motors or Tata Consultancy Services by ticker. Typing Tata helps narrow down. Remember to check available balance and order types before proceeding to the next step. You now pick the exact Tata share and decide between market and limit orders. Market executes immediately, while limit waits for price. Next, enter the quantity, verify lot sizes for any block trades, and confirm margins. Once you set price or stop-loss parameters, review brokerage charges and taxes displayed. These reduce net returns. Make sure order validity matches your intent. Day for same day, good till cancel for ongoing. After double-checking, place the order and await confirmation. You should receive an order confirmation with a transaction ID, note it, and confirm the executed price. Once executed, check your holdings in the demat or holdings tab to ensure shares are delivered. Make sure funds are settled by T+2 settlement rules and reconcile your bank and broker statements. If the order is rejected, first check insufficient funds, wrong ticker, or price limits. Call broker support with the transaction ID if unresolved. This usually clears common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.